You'll be fined every day if you don't complete this by the deadline. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to complete the beneficial owner information report. So this report is due by January 1st, 2025. So you have about 2 months to get this completed, or else you'll be fined every day up to $590 if you don't complete this by the deadline. I know a lot of business owners have no idea what this is or what is this even about. So pretty much the beneficial owner information report is a anti-money laundering law that requires most companies to report information to the U.S. Treasury Department Financial Crime Enforcement Network. They want to know who owned the company and who's in control. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to complete this report in under 5 minutes. The website you want to go to is fincent.gov/BOI. So once you're on the official website, you want to scroll down, and under file is going to say file a report using the BOI e-filing system. And you come over here and click file BOIR and click prepare and submit right here. And you just click I agree, and you'll just click initial report and click next. Next, you want to enter your company name. Scroll down right here, you want to enter your EIN for the company. Come down and you just enter the company country, United States, and you want to fill this out. So the state you're in, you want to enter your company address. So you want to fill this out. So pretty much on this page, all you need to do is enter the company name, put your EIN number in, and then enter the address of your company. Here you want to enter the company applicant information. Here you're going to enter the information for the person that filed with the Secretary of State. So it might not be you, maybe you had a third party doing it. If it was you, you'll just put your own name and then you just put a date of birth. Enter that information. So here you'll put your business address, and this part you'll have to upload your ID. When I did it, it was pretty simple. All I did was I put state issued driver's license, and then you put your driver's license number. Right here, you just put the United States again. So you have to upload your actual ID. And then the next step, and right here, this section, you're gonna enter the company owner information. So you just scroll down all the way here to legal name. So this is gonna be the person that owns the actual company. Right here, you put that person's address. So whoever owns the company, you just put their residential address. And same thing, you're gonna wanna have to enter the ID again. But like for me, you know, I did everything on my own. So most of the information I inputted was my own information, because I own the company and I'm in control of my business. So I was basically just kept putting the same information in over and over. And then you just put United States again, and then you just upload the ID. You wanna just click upload and click next. And the last step is to enter your email, confirm the email. You want to enter the first name, last name, and click here, and I agree, click here, and then you just hit submit. After you click submit, make sure you save a copy of the report on your computer. So they'll give you a copy of the file once you submit it. Just keep that saved, maybe in documents folder, so you can have records that you did complete it. That's how you complete the beneficial owner report. And make sure you guys do this before December 31st, 2024, because if you don't, you can get fined. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.